Welcome to Harvard Student Agencies, or HSA, the largest student-run company in the world. At HSA Tutoring, one of HSA's 9 businesses, we offer private academic tutoring, college consulting, and group workshops, all taught by current Harvard undergraduates. As students who are recently accepted into Harvard, HSA tutors are uniquely positioned to help you do well in your classes and get into your dream college.
All of our tutors at HSA Tutoring are Harvard students. This means they know the work that you're putting in right now and are excited to help you. They're able to craft curriculum based on your needs and what you want to study. So with that, please join us at HSA Tutoring. Our tutors have an average SAT score of 1570 and an average ACT score of 35, and they're excited to meet you all.
Most of our tutoring is conducted one-on-one over Zoom. We offer services in all K-12 subjects, math, sciences, writing, etc., including the AP, as well as standardized testing such as the ACT and the SAT. In addition, we also offer college application tutoring services, including college essay editing advice. We also put a lot of emphasis on personalization. We match you with tutors who share your academic and extracurricular interests, and our tutors love being your mentors.
The Crimson Coaching Academy is a 5-day program where high school students have the opportunity to engage in an intensive pre-college boot camp. The Academy focuses on the college application process, SAT and ACT tips, and even includes a tour of the Harvard campus. This is also the perfect opportunity to ask Harvard students about their current college experience.
If you think your student learns better in a group environment, they can learn with a sibling, friend, or classmate in one of our group sessions, which happen at a discounted rate.
Are you in a time crunch for college applications? Do you want your essays to be reviewed by Harvard students? At HSA Tutoring, we offer various college essay editing services to help you. From Coach's Rapid Fire to Coach's Game Day Special, our services will provide you with detailed feedback by Harvard undergrads to get you closer to your dream school.
On social media, HSA Tutoring offers free and expert advice. Our TikTok and Instagram feature student spotlight videos where you will see how we got into Harvard. Our blog is updated multiple times a week with posts written by our tutors on topics like college applications, Harvard student life, and test prep. And finally, this YouTube channel will take a deep dive into Harvard classes, extracurriculars, and majors. So make sure to follow us on all these platforms to stay updated with the most exclusive and free content from Harvard students.
Visit hsatutoring.com today to find out how you can get connected with a tutor who best suits your needs. Whether you need help in class or getting into your dream school, Harvard students are here to help.